The basics of some cool stuff right now in C++. So you're gonna open up, same as last time, all the previous tutorials. If you haven't watched the previous tutorials, watch the first one. I recommend watching them in order unless you have like prior experience, etc. Okay, so you're gonna open up code blocks, download it, whatever you have to do. Okay, and you're gonna create a new project. Click cancel application. Click go. And today we're going to be going over a very interesting topic, I think, on how to create a calculator with variables. Very simple calculator. I know how to create more advanced ones, but you're not really ready for that. So we're just working on this right now. So yeah, sorry about any background noise right now, but click next. C++, make sure it's not C again. Next. Alright, let's call this just simple calculator vid. You could call it simple calculator. Next. Finish. Nothing there, so when you click sources and then mains, put that CPP. Alright. So what you see here is what you see for hello world. You're gonna actually don't delete anything else. You're gonna click right behind the C out, and you're gonna drag it all the way over here, and you're just gonna backspace it. Nothing else. Just nothing else. Okay, try to stay with me for this. Okay, so a variable, if you can think back to when we were younger and you learned about variables, like A, B, they stand for a number, like A is like 2, something like that. Well, in C++ we have things like that, but we have like a prefix to our variables. I'm not going to tell you what they're called yet. I'll tell you in another tutorial, but we have different types of variables, like integer, which is int, so like integer A equals 1, but you don't have to give what it equals yet in the program, like integer A, integer B, integer Y. It doesn't have to be A, B, it could be like anything. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with integers, nothing else like float, but like integers, just int, I, N, T, and then you're going to list a couple of variables. First you're going to want A, and you're going to end that. Just, I'll show you what this means later, but you're going to have to end every line with a semicolon. Every line. Well, almost every line, like not like that, but like every line within the code, just end it with that. Bam. Integer B and integer sum, int sum and int a int b. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is C out. Remember, if you remember from last tutorial, and then those two little arrows. This is to put it into the computer. So give it the information, take it out of the computer and give it to you. So C out, print, and then you're gonna have like okay, so you're gonna put inside these, you're gonna put please enter a number and then space. Okay. Space. Okay. Then you're gonna do cin. That's something new we're working with. Cin, something you're gonna put in. Cin, and you're gonna put A, not integer A or int A, just A. So CNA, that's what you're gonna put into the computer. Just stay with me, please. This is the hard part, so it gets easy. You'll figure it out soon. Trust me. It took me a while to. Now you're gonna do another C out. Make sure the arrows are facing the right way, by the way. I'm right. Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna go into those and that. Okay, so you're just gonna, then you're gonna type, now please enter another number. There. Okay. Now CN. I'm gonna do another one of those. And then B. Okay. Check that over real quick, and then pause the video, check it over, and then come back. Okay. So now that you're back, let's see. Yeah, you're gonna do C out. Oh. We'll get to that later. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is, so the sum of those numbers was blank. Just leave that blank. Yeah, okay, so now that you've done that, do another 2 arrows. Then you're gonna do sum, and you're gonna do another 2 arrows, and then end L semicolon. It's a little complex, so make sure you got that right. Now go back into the code, and you're gonna make another piece of code right here, and call it, okay, so you're gonna put sum equals A plus B. There. So now it knows what sum is, A and B. So you're entering A, and then you're entering B, and it's gonna give you sum, which is A plus B. It gets more complex later if you want to make a better calculator, but for that, you're just gonna do that. Some of those numbers was, and then you're inserting sum right there, which is whatever you entered, and then end line, which is just ending the line of code. Okay, so you just created your first calculator in a simple 23 lines of code. Wow. Okay, so you're gonna click build and run. I don't know why this is taking so long. Sorry, guys. Lag. Okay, this is gonna pop up. See, like we did. Please enter a number. Okay, yay, thank you. Okay, just to test this out, you can't use decimals. We'll get into that later, like float and stuff. But let's just do like, I think it can handle 9 digits for this. It's like 735. Yeah. Now enter another number, like 236. Some of those numbers was 971. I'm going to change that to is. Okay, it returned 0. Everything was good. You did it right. Otherwise, check it over again. Let's see. Is. Okay, so like. Alright, gave me the proper answer. Return 0. Gave me an execution time. It should look something like that. And now you can just play it. Well, like run it. Show that off to your friends. I'm going to show you what happens if you enter too many digits without doing a float integer. I mean a float variable. Yeah, it screws everything up. Okay. Yeah, not to be trashy, it just messes it up. Yeah, okay. Okay. Look over your code one more time, and then you're done with that. Okay. So that's how you make a calculator. In the next tutorial, I'm going to go over what this is and what it's doing exactly, break it down. So like what's within the code, the actual like code I'd say like that you've done is really just Bam, you actually did like good couple lines of code. That's like pretty good for your yeah, okay. Anyways, so you're doing good. Like, that's really impressive if you managed to get through this in like one shot. If you didn't, I understand. Keep doing it, and then watch the next tutorial. I'll be coming out with it soon. If not, it is out already. Keep checking to see if I've updated the videos. And yeah, bye. Thanks. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please subscribe, etc. Once again, bye.